Question number 7a. Define ohm. Ohm is the ratio of volt to ampere. And ohm is the measuring unit of resistance. And it can be written resistance R is equal to V by I. V is the potential difference and I is the current. Unit of potential difference is volt and unit of current is ampere. That's why it is written that ohm is the ratio of volt to ampere. Then question number 7b. Wires are used to connect a battery of a negligible internal resistance to a lamp as shown in figure 7.1. Look at the figure. Battery, with the help of connecting wire on both sides, a lamp is connected. Then some informations are given. Diameter of filament wire, and here filament wire diameter is D and the connecting wire's diameter is 14D. Total length filament wire has capital L and the connecting wires, that means this connecting wires total length is equal to 7.0 L. Resistivity of metal for filament, the wire is made up of any metal and the resistivity of that metal is rho, and the wire by which connecting wire is made, resistivity of that material is 0.028 rho. Then it is mentioned that the lamp is at its normal operating temperature. That means after turning on the lamp, it works at certain temperature. Some data for the filament wire of the lamp and the for connecting wires of the circuit are shown in figure 7.2. Already I have explained it. Question number B1. Show that resistance of filament wire to total resistance of connecting wire. That means ratio of the resistance of filament wire to total resistance of the connecting wire is 1000. For resistance of any wire, the formula is rho L by A. So filament wire resistivity rho, length is L, which is shown in the figure 7.2, and area of cross section is pi d square by 4. Here d is the diameter of the filament wire. Similarly, resistance of connecting wire, rho L, connecting material of the connecting wire has resistivity 0.028 rho. That's why rho means here density. That means resistivity of the material of connecting wire is 0.028 rho multiplied by length 7.0 L, and again area of cross section is pi d square by 4, and here diameter of the connecting wire is 14D. That's why 14D whole square divided by 4. Then if you simplify this, if you write this ratio in this way, rho L times 4 divided by pi d square, that is this part, and after that if you divide by this part, then we can write it pi 14 square d square divided by 0.028 rho multiplied by 7 L multiplied by 4, 1000. That means ratio of resistance of filament wire to ratio of total resistance of connecting wire is 1000. 7b2. Use the information in 1 to explain qualitatively why the power dissipated in the filament wire of the lamp is greater than the total power dissipated in the connecting wire. Same current same current in filament lamp and the connecting wire because they are connected in series. In series, current remains same. But filament has the greater resistance because look at the figure 7.2. Filament has diameter D and the connecting wire is 14D. That means filament wire is thinner than the connecting wire, so it has greater resistance. And look at the formula of power dissipated. P is equal to I square R. Now, in filament wire and the connecting wire, I is same, but filament wire has the greater resistance. Since filament wire has the greater resistance, that means product of I square and R is greater for the filament wire. That's why the filament wire has greater resistance. It means the filament wire has greater power because power is equal to I square R. B3, the lamp is rated as 12 volt 6 watt. Use the information in 1 to determine the total resistance of connecting wires. Formula for power equal to V square divided by R, and here V is given 12, so it's 12 square. Then R is equal to V square divided by power, and power is given 6 watt. That's why the resistance of filament wire is equal to 24 ohms. Then for connecting wire, resistance is equal to 24 divided by 1000. And this can be written from this relationship of B1, that is R of filament divided by R of the wire is equal to 1000. So R of the wire will be equal to resistance of filament divided by 1000. So resistance of filament is 24 divided by 1000. So it is equivalent to 2.4 10 to the power minus 2 ohms. (7)B4, the diameter of connecting wire is decreased. The total length of connecting wires and the resistivity of metal of the connecting wires remain the same. That means connecting wire diameter is reduced, but the length remains same. And the resistivity, that means material, is also remaining same. State and explain the change, if any, that occurs to the resistance of the filament of the lamp. Resistance of connecting wire increases because the diameter of the connecting wire is decreased. Since resistance of the connecting wire increases, then current in the lamp, that means in the circuit, definitely decreases. Since current in the filament lamp decreases, therefore its resistance decreases because resistance of the filament wire depends on the current, that means depends on the heat. If current decreases, so less heat is produced. That's why the resistance of the filament wire decreases.